It's a veil.
Whenever you, after the first time, we come back and you film, then I film.
Yep. Oh.
Daniel, after the first round, are you gonna film? Then can I film the second?
Yeah, sure.
Sound like back here.
Oh, here you go. Hold on. Please keep your doors locked. Keep arms length side of the cart. Moving in to the left. Just stay seated. We'll be on our way.
Oh, this is good. You guys ready? Oh, look at that. Look over there.
Yeah.
Oh. And we're on the move. We're moving.
Bye.
Bye. Whee.
See you later.
Ooh.
See you later, Stinky Butt. Bye, Stinky Butt. Bye, Stinky Butt.
Oh, we're going. We're going. Oh, look at that. All rails. What? Hey, look at that. The Polar Express. Oh, there's the airplane. Whee. Up, we're going to the tunnel. Oh, I can still see you. Meow.